ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗೆ 96% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. Some of them have 98% placement rate, and you won't believe they have even closed packages of 56 lakhs. 96 lakhs, that means almost 1 crore. 1 crore package in the students who pass out agidare ee top colleges in the. Today I've come here to make sure that your dreams become successful. So this channel that you're watching is Vedantu Karnataka channel, which is dedicated for all the students who are preparing for PUC and KCET, and on the future, if you want, we will also be doing SLC and NEET depending on your demand. So students, KCET prepare mada time alli most of them have this notion that ayo ನೀಟು JEE to ಫುಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, KCET 1 ಮಂತಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 20 ಡೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ರಾಂಗ್ ನೋಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಟಾಪರ್ ಹೂ ಗಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 15. ಸೊ when I spoke to him, what I understood is he started his preparation as early as possible. He's like, ma'am, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 15 he was able to secure. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3,75,000 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 15 he had secured. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ he was different from the other students who were following the crowd. So I want you people also to start your preparation early, because we should stop normalizing KCET exam as a last minute exam. It is an exam that has the potential to put you into the top engineering colleges, and it also has the potential to put you into the lowest engineering college. So why risk your life when you can take the chance of doing it well? See students, KCET ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ NCERT. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಪೆನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. 3 papers you can take. You can take PCM or you can take PCB. You will write the exam in 80 minutes. First 10 minutes reading, rest 70 minutes OMR filling. Okay. And it's a 60 marks papers, and the most important thing is no negative marking. So negative marking atara ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that means you are free to write everything that you know, alva. So no negative marking, and syllabus aligns with 11th and 12th. So 12th high weightage irodu, almost 65 to 75% weightage is from 12th. Rest of the 25 to 30% is from 11th. Now 11th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ portions high weightage alla. Some chapters 2 questions will come, some chapters no questions will come. So high weightage already ನಾವು ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ weightage of KCET by Vedantu Karnataka. You will already see subject wise weightage. Okay, so ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Now this is what is given according to the bulletin of your KEA. Okay, so elaine kotidare, the question papers of common entrance test will be based on the first and the second PUC syllabi prescribed by the Department of Pre-University. That means your first and second PUC classes in Karnataka state, and syllabus is adopted according to that, which is a super thing for you, because ನೀವು already 12th prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು KCET ಗೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 5 marks 3 marks ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೈನ್ದು ಒಂದು MCQ pick ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should be capable of answering. That is the tricky part of KCET. MCQ is do or die. You get a mark or you don't get a mark. There's nothing called as, ma'am, I wrote this story, so please give me half mark or 1 mark. Asara illa. So MCQ point of view is very important. Now let's say you understood the syllabus, you learned all the concept. Now what is the next step of it? What is the next step of doing it? Build a daily study plan. Let's stop thinking that KCET is a last minute exam. Seriously students, one student had prepared for 4 months. He got only 1,400 rank. You'll be like, ma'am, only 1,400? Yes, because there is a student who prepared for 8 months and he got 400 rank. So I'm telling you, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, KCETಗೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ 50% ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಕೂಡ KCET ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಜಂಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, KCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. 2 students who have got same PUC mark, but KCET marks will make the jump in the rank. So that's why I'm telling you, getting in 400 500 rank ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ AI is your dream or DS is your dream, then you have to get a rank like that. And if you want top colleges, be it MSRIT, be it RV college, then you need rank below 1000. And rank below 1000 ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಿಗೆ 500 ಬಿಲೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you will get a seat. 800 below you will get AI. So that's why I'm telling you, don't think that 1400 ma'am it's such a good rank. No, it was once upon a time, but now students have become competitive. Okay, they are getting in below 10, they're getting, you know, inside 20, 30, 40. So ನೀವು ಆ ಥರನೇ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be able to get in a very good college at a very low KCET fees. Now build a study plan, focus fully on second PU NCERT, because second PU NCERT prepare madidre you will be able to clearly crack KCET with a good score. But few chapters of 11th also we will be preparing you. See, I am a biology teacher, so I will be preparing students who are interested for BSc veterinary or B Pharma. But for other courses also we already have maths, chemistry teachers and physics teachers here. They will prepare you with the 11th syllabus according to the weightage. So ee channel follow madidre nimage KCET ge free agi ondo course we will be giving you full year course, so you can trust us. And last year, let me tell you, last minute alli ನಾವು 1 month students ಗೆ train ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Students have secured very good ranks in KCET because last minute they prepared with us. We were able to predict most of the questions. So that's why I'm telling you, stay tuned with us. We will give you free content for KCET. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಶ್ ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರಾಶ್, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we will do that also. But we need you to stay with us. Let's make sure that KCET rank is yours. Okay? Weekly revision of your first PUC, that's what I told you. Depending on the weightage, we will do weekly revision. Practice KCET level MCQs. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಟೋನಲ್ಲಿ they told me one thing, ma'am, MCQ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. I used to practice mock paper. They used to tell me, oh, mock paper is for NEET and JEE. ನಮಗೇನು mock paper ಇಂದ OMR sheet filling ಏನು. And trust me, many students got nothing, no marks, because ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ OMR ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ OMR fill ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. See students, OMR fill ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ you cannot put tick, you cannot put into, you cannot put circle outside the circle. So ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ right and wrongs are there. So many students who have never seen OMR sheet had put tick income. Tick is not considered. You have to bubble the whole thing. So ಆ ಥರ small mistakes has to be avoided when you're preparing for KCET. So mock paper and MCQs. And trust me, if you people ask, we are ready to give you that. We are ready to give you that. You know Vedantu and Deeksha, we are all one. So ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು years of experience ಇದೆ KCET ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನಫ್ KCET ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2-3 ಜನಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. So that's why I'm telling you, share this video with everyone who's preparing in your college, in your class, so that we can become bigger and we can give you as much as content possible. Now, here students, some of the reference book that you can use. So idella individual reference book. Most of the students who are preparing for JEE already would know this. Some of the students who are preparing for NEET also would know this. These are all individual, okay, individual books if you want to know more about the content. But ma'am, ನನಗೆ KCET only for MCQs I want a book ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ MTG ಇದು KCET ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 6000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ MCQs ಇದು ನ್ಯೂ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ 2000 and 1800 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೇಟರ್ ಹಾಫ್ಸ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಾಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. Okay, that is a small thing that I'm asking you. I'm not telling you give me money and stay with me, stay in the channel. Just come here, show your daily attendance so that we also get motivated to give you more, teach you more. Okay, so this is the MTG book for all of you. Ivaga students ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ 18th 19th ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 16th 17th ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10-15 ಡೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ KCET ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ KCET ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು. You cannot completely depend until you are in a batch or something. No, because YouTube is a medium where you will come and go. You will not be consistent. If you want to be consistent, then you should have that motivation. Illa ma'am, I want to make it. So practice your mock paper, revise one shot. So 11th ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 11th ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ನನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೇಮ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ lecture of a teacher. Just watch that lecture, understand the concept, and then practice MCQs of that. So short notes, formula booklets, all this you can use, and avoid new topics. So polish madi, but don't try to learn new in the month of April. Okay, now this is the flow chart for you. This is the flow chart for you. See, NCERT 11th and 12th you have to master. In that 11th only high weightage topic, 12th complete topics, all the topics, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೇನೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಯು ಜನರಲಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ KCET. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ MCQ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 70 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. If you solve right in front of your eyes, you solve the paper. And students, see, let me tell you, 3 lakh students alli nim full category of students competition alla, but ಆ ಒಂದು 1 lakh students ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ 3,75,000 ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 4 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ 1 lakh students neck to neck competition ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Trust me on that. ನೆಕ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪರ್ಸು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೆಮ್, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ದೇ ಲೈಕ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ Karnataka has given us an exam to get into the top colleges in Karnataka where other students are taking management quota and coming, paying 3-4 lakhs for that seat. Why shouldn't I be proud and take that seat? ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವೈ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೀಟ್? ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಟು ಸಮನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೀಟ್. 1 lakh students ಇರಲಿ, 1,50,000 students are going to get serious. That 1,50,000 is your real competition, not the entire 4 lakhs who is going to write the exam. Some of them are writing exam just because their parents force them to write exam. But some of them are writing the exam because they want a seat out of it. And let me tell you, next year I want to see you all in Val function. I want to give, awards to all of you. And that day you will remember these words in your ears. That, yes, Gopika ma'am pushed us so hard that we had to do this. So I want that. And last, revision game. Students, like how much ever you try to study, if you're not good at revision, you're not going to really learn anything. Because whenever you study the first chapter, you will have a tendency of forgetting the second chapter. Whenever you study the second chapter, you'll forget the third chapter. So adikke onto proper revision game you should find out. Okay, so if you want any further help, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀ, that ma'am please explain about this, please tell us how to do revision, or ma'am please give us a timetable for your classes, let me know. And I want to know that students, whoever is not aware also of KCET, that I can write, BSc veterinary students, simple agi ನೀವು KEA website ದು bulletin search ಮಾಡಿ, bulletin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ courses available ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. B Pharma, veterinary science, fishery, and then your engineering, nursing, all these courses are available for you. So why don't you utilize it? You will be able to get into good colleges if you really crack KCET, and the fee structure is so less. Fee structure is so less for top colleges also. And let me tell you, our top colleges ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗೆ 96% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. Some of them have 98% placement rate, and you won't believe, they have even closed packages of 56 lakhs. 96 lakhs, that means almost 1 CR, 1 crore package ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಪಾಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಇಂದ. Let's say 1 CR ಇಲ್ಲ no students, 50 lakhs package. Can you imagine 50 lakhs package just after your engineering? There are engineers in every corner of the world. Every third person you ask, he's an engineer. Why he is not getting a job? Because he did not study from the top colleges. Placement rate 96% ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್. ಅದು ಟಾಪ್ MNCs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ. So that is the kind of, that freedom that you should have. You shouldn't be worrying about job. You should be worrying that, I have taken computer science, will I get a job? Will, ChatGPT take my job? That's not your concern. Your concern is, I have got into a good college, now my life is sorted. That is the kind of thing that should come. And trust me students, none time only. If someone had motivated me like this, seriously, I would have been somewhere else. I would have been so motivated to do something more in my life. I'm happy with what I'm doing, but I would have done more. Like, you know, as a young mind, at the age of, like when I was in 12th, no one told me the value of writing these exams to get into top universities. No one told me, no one put that fire inside me. A ಒಂದು ignition ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಒಂದು fire, ಆ ಒಂದು spark, ಅದು ಬರಬೇಕು. So when you have teachers like us to support you throughout the journey, I don't know why it is difficult for all of you. You just have to blindly just trust us and then just be with us. Students, ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಯುವರ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್. And I'm telling you, we are here to ignite that fire for you. All you have to do is just daily come here. Show, mark your attendance, never give up. If you can do all of this, then let me tell you, next year, you will be right now in the comments typing, ma'am, I secured this much rank, thanks to you or thanks to this teacher. Trust me on that. So, now students, if you all listen to my whole story and you have not seen me before, you don't even know my name, that means you have not subscribed to the channel. I am Ms. Gopika, a NEET master teacher in Vedantu. I have been training NEET students from past 2.5 years, and I've also worked as an assistant lecturer in Bangalore in one of the top colleges. So yes, this is my, you know, about me, and this is Vedantu Karnataka, dedicated for all PUC, KCT students, and on a long run, we will be helping our NEET students, COMEDK students, as well as, you know, our SLC students, depending on you. So how many of you are going to write NEET, KCT? Please let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, if this video really ignited the fire inside you, please drop down heart in the comment section, because that is the only way I know that you're connected to me. Namage ee one connection, ee one bond tumba important. Ee one journey alli you should never feel alone. So our journey, to continue, to be successful, to complete our journey, you have to be tied up together, right? So for that tying up, I want all of you, if it gave you one moment of motivation, do not forget to put a heart emoji in the comments. That would make my day. And yes, every time you get a like on that comment, you will remember what you promised me today, so that when I see you the next time, you're already successful and you're doing something that you love. So thank you so much students for joining. Thank you so much. I hope this video helps all the students who are especially in 12th right now. And if you're in 11th got wasted, doesn't matter at all. You can start from zero and you are going to build a complete strategy for KCT. We are here with you. So take a minute and subscribe to the channel, because that would add value to the channel, value to you. So we can provide you as much as resources possible for a bigger crowd of students. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.